To wrap up insomnia. It's exciting to get to this.
Retract has started.
Exciting to get to this point of the countdown, as you heard it right there.
We are in the Firing Room 1 studio watching the Crew 11 launch to the International Space Station. We are only 4 minutes away. And we are hoping this mission works out. Strongback is
so we have a
moving.
Great view on our screen of the clamp arms opening up just around stage 2 under Dragon in preparation for Strongback retract.
We are in the middle of actually moving. We've removed 5 of our monitors already in preparation for a move to a new studio.
We have some really great views on our screen of that happening.
But we happen to be online for this launch. We are only 2 minutes and 40 seconds away.
And again, those late stages, those fuel lines starting to wind down their fueling procedures as we're about to hit T-minus.
We got all of our favorites up here. We got Everyday Astronaut.
Second stage loading.
We got the launch pad.
First, and you've probably noticed those white clouds venting from around the rocket. That isn't smoke, that's condensation.
The NASA space flight over here.
Has been completed. As liquid oxygen warms slightly inside the tanks, some of it boils off, and that gas is vented to manage pressure. When the vented oxygen hits that warm Florida humid air,
Internal count and on internal power.
it instantly condenses into those clouds. You just now heard the Dragon now in propeller complete, on into internal power. It's fully fueled. Rocket and Crew 11 are ready for liftoff. And this rocket now transitioning into internal power. The gas closeouts will also begin to purge all the feed lines and allow Falcon 9 to be isolated. And then they'll get vented overboard through the umbilicals and Strongback retract.
So coming up in just under 20 seconds, we should hear the call out that LOX load will be completed on stage 2.
We have
which will mean that there will be 1 million
our zero-G indicator
loaded onto Falcon
always
9 at that point.
ready
Coming up on that call out
to float.
In just a few seconds from now.
I'm always ready to float.
Stage 2, LOX load complete.
Now that that's complete, we will vent down the TE, which will produce a white cloud off the side of the rocket, which is totally normal and expected.
Dragon is in auto idle.
Auto idle puts that rocket in a state the flight computers understand before it takes over. That's making sure the transition to the final countdown is smooth and all the flight computers on board are in sync with each other and configured for launch. We're now 90 seconds away from launch.
90 seconds.
There's the gas closeout that someone was talking about, and now inside 80 seconds from the launch of NASA SpaceX's Crew 11.
On countdown net, hold. We are standing down for a violation of weather rules.
Oh no, violation of weather. Oh, that's a bummer. We may have to wait a bit till whatever the weather is clears. Yeah, there's some dark clouds right above the launch site. They don't like any clouds with the potential of lightning, and that's probably what we're doing. So we're gonna go on a hold here and
So as you've heard over the nets, we did just have a hold called at the T-minus 1 minute mark.
And that hold due to weather, that was something that we've been keeping an eye on. Our team here in SpaceX and Hawthorne, as well as NASA, we're monitoring that throughout today's broadcast in preparation for launch. But unfortunately, standing down looks to be the case as the weather has created that violation. But we'll continue to monitor and wait for the news officially from the teams on the ground as that weather violation looks to come into play for launch today.
Dragon, SpaceX, bad luck on weather there. We just got clipped by a cumulus cloud right over the pad, so ended up scrubbing for weather. With that, you are go to proceed to 5.100 for launch scrub. We'll begin offloading the rocket.
and the launch is scrubbed.
Dragon
Well, launch is scrubbed. We will come back on another day. And in the meantime, you can go to Firing Room 1 and support us. We are in the middle of moving to a new office and studio to support the large production volume that we're planning on. This guy isn't going to float around today, but it's okay because we can do it another day. Go ahead and stop in at firingroom1.com and take a look at our articles and features. We talk about rockets and science and physics and all the things that we need.